So good evening, guys. This was the trade I took today. So today is the as you can hear from my voice, I'm sure you guys can sense that I'm not actually happy, but it's all good. Today is um the fifth. Yeah, is it the fifth? Have I lost count or what? I think today is the fifth trading day. For that the sixth. What am I saying? Let me check. For Then Tuesday was the fifth day. I didn't trade on Wednesday. Today is the sixth trading day. Yeah, today is the sixth trading day of the competition. So this was the trade I took in the morning on gold XAUSD. The trade was about three one ratio three risk to reward, and eventually I got stopped out. Then price eventually later on went in my favor. So I took this trade as at a London session. Yeah, London session, 11:50 a.m. So it was during London session I took the trade. This was my target. First of all, let's hop on the 4 hours time frame. I'll just be deliberating on the 4 hours time frame and 1 hours time frame. Because I feel so sleepy at the moment. Just imagine. Sorry, price just did. So just little adjustments that just wiped me out. So price later did. I saw this coming. Guys, honestly, I saw this coming. I saw this drop coming. Probably so many persons saw it coming. That's why there was just lots of manipulation in the market. I saw this drop coming. When I entered the trade, this candle was around this level. This candle was around this level. Then eventually I knew my target was this level, this 4 hours level. My target was this 4 hours level. But I knew price eventually come down. I knew it would just come down. I just knew that. But it's all good, Sha. It's all good. I saw the move, but I was unable to to benefit from it. If not, I foresaw the move, but I got stopped out before it went in my favor yet again. So it's all good. So this was structure action on the 4 hours time frame. I drew at this level, then I drew at this level. My overall target, as at then, price was around this level. Price, if I'm not mistaken, price was around this level. So I was anticipating to catch about 70 something pips in the market. Today was a very busy day. If not, I would have recorded everything all through. But today was very, very busy. I couldn't record at all today. I couldn't record. So I just wanted to catch something from the market, just from around here to around here. That's what I wanted to catch. But unfortunately, I wasn't able to catch it. I got stopped out before price went in my favor. And it was as a result of news. But I learned quite some lessons from today's trade, though. Yeah, I learned some lessons from today's trade. So this was what happened. Price almost got to this level, eventually reversed and came back to test it again before finally going to this direction. You see that manipulation right there? You see, there was a manipulation right there. I feel so many persons just saw the move and the price decided to do its thing. Yeah, this trend line is already broken, so I'll just do away with it. I'll do with that trend line. Then let me see. Let me zoom out a little bit. Okay, I just knew this thing will happen. I knew price would eventually come to this 4 hours level. I just knew it. Just that to catch that sell now to take price to that level was the problem. I knew price will eventually get to that level, but to catch the sell was the problem. But it's all good. Like I said, we keep learning every day. We keep learning every day. Most of the times I know the direction of the market, but the issue I have is, will I say it's my entry, or most times I just enter and price hits my stop loss. I get stopped out before price goes in my favor. If not, most times I know the direction of the markets, the direction of price. So let me zoom in on my 1 hour time frame. I didn't even have any leg on my 1 hour time frame. My major focus on him was on the 4 hours time frame, just to catch that sell from around this level. Price was around this area as at that point in time. Let's see, around 11. Yes, price was around this level. My main focus was just to catch the sell from here down here. That was my main focus. Then moving on to the 15 minutes time frame. On the 15 minutes, I feel very sleepy right now. I feel very sleepy. On the 15 minutes time frame, yeah, this was what happened on the 15 minutes time frame. I saw that price has already taken out this level as at that point in time. So I didn't want to enter until price comes back to retest this level that I took out. Yeah, I didn't want to enter until price comes back to retest this level, this particular level here that I took out. Took out this level. So I didn't want to enter until price comes back to retest it. And eventually price came back to retest it. If you look closely from here, let me adjust this my tool. If you look closely from here, I even have a box there already, so let me just do away with this guy. Yeah, I think it was on the 5 minutes time frame that I really mounted my entry. My entry was majorly on the 5 minutes time frame. So see the box I had here in the morning. So my price took out this level. I told myself that if price comes back, as at that time, price was around this level. Price was just surging down. So I told myself if price comes back up to retest this level, I'm going to have an entry. So eventually price came to retest this level and I had an entry. Price was going on my favor, but it came back here and I don't know why, for some reason it respected this zone. Although I saw a news release that was coming, and from the news was the forecast for the news was saying a positive. It was positive, which means that XAUSD will sell from the forecast of the news. The forecast was positive, which indicated that XAUSD would sell. So those were the confluences that I had in mind. Yeah, let me go to economic calendar. Those were the confluences I had in mind to sell good. But eventually, I don't know why there was just too many manipulation in the markets. Yeah, see, this was the news. The news was the news was to be released by 1:30 earlier today. Yeah, and it got released eventually. Yeah, the actual was higher than the forecast, and eventually that's why good dropped this way. It dropped. But my issue now is that there was just so many manipulation before the news release. So many manipulation in the market. See, price was coming down. Why didn't price just keep coming down to this level? It came down, it went up. Okay, fine. It retested this level, giving people more opportunity to enter. It came out and retested this level, giving sellers more opportunity to enter around here. Then it started going down again. It still came back here, then went up again. Okay, fine. You are giving them more opportunity to enter, to load in more position. They loaded in around here again. Why then did you now manipulate? Why then did they now take price up to this level, take out people's stop losses before eventually? I think this was the news. Yeah. Okay, this was the impact of the news. Went up before finally dropping. So why then did you do this? Even after that, after it dropped, it almost got to this level, this TP. Eventually, it's reversed again, guy. Bro, today's market was crazy. Reversed again. Went to test this level again. It came back to test this whole level again. Then before it finally, okay, let's see. Before it finally, let me see. Let's see. Um, before it finally, yeah, before it finally came to this level. See the time. Let's see what time. Okay, around 3 p.m. It finally got to this level around 6 p.m. Around 6 p.m. So you see what price just did today. The manipulation on the chart was just so crazy. Guys, the manipulation was crazy. Like it was very, very crazy. I never expected such. I never expected such. But it's all good. We just keep learning. One thing I'll do now is, or one thing I learned from this trade in general is whenever you want to enter a trade, let's say from 10 p.m., because this thing happened around 10 a.m. upwards. Let's say from 10 a.m. when you want to enter a trade, when I want to enter a trade, and I check and there's a news release by 1:30 p.m. I'll most likely wait before entering. I'll most likely, or how will I even put it? Okay, let's just go to our this thing. Let's go to our what's it called? Our journal. Let me look for a way to construct the English. Let me put back my position and my this thing, entry and everything. So I'll look for a way to construct the whole stuff, the whole grammar. I'll look for a way to construct it. 5 minutes. I didn't. My risk management was okay. Everything was just okay on the trade, just the manipulation. But at the end of the day, this business is a business. In my business, yeah, I am the boss. I am my own boss. So I have to take responsibility of whatever that goes on. in the business. Whatever that happens, I have to take sole responsibility, like full responsibility of it. So let me head over to my trading, to my journal, my trading journal, my trading journal. Yeah, my trading journal. So man, I feel so sleepy. Time is 21:21. Obviously, they are with me. 21:21. You see, they are with me. The universe is with me. So um, let me paste it. Oh, what's today's date? Today's date is 18th of July 2024, 2024. Then obviously I don't think I made any mistake on this trade. Price just did this thing. So what I like, the thing is that I learned lessons. Okay. So the lessons I learned now is oh shit, I just sent it without I just clicked on enter too. So I have to just edit it. I made a mistake by sending it like right away. Oh yeah, go. Almost there, almost there, almost there. Yeah, that's it. I think it's delivered already. Yeah, it's delivered. So let me just edit it quickly. Edit. So what I wanted to say is good. So always be cautious. Oh, what am I doing? Is it because I'm feeling sleepy? Okay, let's go back again. Okay, always becoming good. Always be cautious. Be cautious of levels whenever you are entering whenever you are entering a trade before a news release. Yeah, that's one thing. Why am I saying this now? Always be cautious of levels whenever you are entering a trade before a news release. Good. Why am I saying this, or why am I putting this into consideration? Let's go back to our charts so you guys will take a look at something. So you see, after everything, so what happened around here? So what happened around here? Let me zoom in a little bit. So what happened around here? Normally, I work with this neckline break principle. So price took out the neckline. Normally, if I was on the chart by this time, I would have had an entry around here. Honestly, I'd have had an entry around here. My stop loss would be around this level. My stop loss would be around this level, but God knows that I wouldn't have set my stop loss around this level because it's very, very dangerous. I would have set my stop loss around this level. Then my target would be around this level. Then my target around this level. This would have been my original entry. Even though I did this, I would have still be stopped out. Eventually, see this candle that spiked up would have stopped me out. So this would have been my original entry. Yeah. But for the fact that we have a news release, this is a zone. For the fact that we had a new release, you see, price came back to test this hourly zone. This guy is from the 1 hour. If you look closely, I don't know if you are familiar with it. That guy is from the 1 hour. That level that price went to test 2 times. Sorry, it's from the 4 hours rather, not 1 hour. You can see it's the 4 hours level. If you can see, look at it from here, it's the 4 hours level. That level that price went to test. So during the news release, look at time was 1:30. As at 1:30 p.m., price just went to test that level before moving to the downside. So those are just the manipulation. Most times, all these manipulation occur. So before news release, I'll pay very, very close attention to levels. If it's something that is worth it, and I can enter the trade. If it's something that is not worth it, I'll just fash it. I'll just neglect the trade. You see, price just came only for price just to come to test this level. Then with a bearish engulfing candle, it went down. Then it still came again, manipulation came again to test it again at this point in time before it finally dropped. But it's all good. I think this is the only lesson I learned from today's trade. Yeah, to always be cautious of level because this is a very, very very, very strong level from 4 hours time frame. Always be conscious of levels from 4 hours time frame or 1 hour's time frame before when I'm entering a trade before news release. So eventually the news went in my favor. Yeah, my technical analysis was correct, but my entry was not just it. My technical analysis was correct. The news went in my favor. The news came out positive, which means we should sell XAUSD because USD is strong. So eventually that's what happened. After everything, after the news and after everything, XAUSD later sold. See, just came back, dropped massively. So that's just it, guys. That's one lesson I learned from today's trade. So let's see how tomorrow goes. Tomorrow is Friday, last day of the week. Hopefully tomorrow will be favorable, just like last week Friday was favorable as well. So that's just it, guys. That's just it. That's just the lesson I learned. So that's it. That's just it. That's just it. So let me show my face. So guys, that's it regarding today, the sixth day of trading. There's no light actually, so that's why the whole room is dark. So I'll catch you guys. I'm very, very tired. I have to go to bed. Today was very, very stressful. I'll catch you guys on the sixth day. So that's how the whole thing is going. I think I'm currently back to my capital. Like I'm currently back to my capital. I lost the whole profit I've made. I'm currently back to 100k. 100k USD. So that's it, guys. Let's see how tomorrow goes. We hope for better trading opportunities tomorrow. So good night, guys. I'll catch you guys tomorrow.